Every year, I let my community decide which iPhone 15 Pro color I should get. And without a surprise, most of my followers and subscribers went for the iPhone 50 Pro in natural titanium. Thanks community, that one was also my favorite. So is it worth the upgrade? For most people, the upgrade might not be compelling. But if you're an Apple fanatic like me, I always love to have the latest iPhone. And out of the incredible demand, it seems like I'm not the only one. So what does make this iPhone 15 Pro so special? If we look at the design, we can first spot the new USB-C port and the new action button. The titanium finish looks really fresh, and I have to say the natural color also looks amazing, almost kind of goldish. I recommend seeing it in person when you pass by an Apple store. And what about the feel? You realize when you got the iPhone 15 Pro in your hands that it feels different than the previous iPhones. The word most people use, and I completely agreed with, is premium. Its sleek design, coupled with the reduced weight, creates a luxurious experience. The phone feels lighter, enhancing the sense of holding a valuable device. And as you might have heard by now, Apple was unwillingly forced to equip all iPhone 15 models with USB-C. A small defeat for Apple, but it gives a ton of new unexpected options. For example, you can now charge one iPhone with another iPhone, play CPU-intensive games on an external monitor, and connect a USB-C SSD card to save storage on your iPhone, especially useful when you're shooting a lot of videos and photos with your iPhone. As for the camera, the iPhone 15 Pro sports a 48 megapixel main sensor and offers various focal lengths for versatile photography. I tested the camera outside and here is some raw and unprocessed footage. The iPhone 15 Pro comes with the default one-time main camera lens or 24mm lens. We now have the option for a 28mm or 1.2 times optical zoom and a 35mm or 1.5 times optical zoom as secondary lenses. The Pro model also comes with a 3 times zoom, whereas the Pro Max gets the 5 times telephoto lens. If we compare the battery life of the iPhone 50 Pro with the previous iPhone 14 Pro, the battery life is more or less identical. And we know that battery life is one of the most important domains for most iPhone users, so that might be a reason not upgrading to the iPhone 15 Pro. Nevertheless, I think this is an amazing device and Apple did a really good job on the iPhone 15 Pro. Thanks for watching this quick iPhone 15 Pro overview and make sure to subscribe for more Apple related videos. Have a great rest of your day.